topic is types of list. Types of list. In your Word document, how will you list out the items? By using? We are listing out the number of persons in your home. You may use number 1, 2, 3 and same like you can list out. Or if you are listing out the favorite items, you may use bullets. So it's your wish. You can use either numbers or the bullets in your Word document. So here that numbering and the bullets will be called as list. Will be called as list in HTML. Okay. We are having 3 types of list. Types of list. We are having 3 types. Same like numbering and bulleting. Here it will be called as, is that visible? Ordered list, unordered list. Unordered list. Order in the sense, ordered, there will be a sequence. Order, there will be in order. First, second, third, this will be called as ordered. Ordered, ED, you have to add the ED also. Ordered list. This will be in a sequence. This will be in sequence. Which will be in sequence, whether numbering or the bullet? Numbering. Numbering will be in sequence. Sequence in the sense, in a line, in a order, in next to next. That will be called as sequence. So, ordered list will be in sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3 and what are all the types of numbering you may use in the Word document? 1, 2, 3 or yes, A, B, C, D, like alphabets. Alphabets will also be in capital letter as well as in the small letter. So, uppercase, lowercase. Here it will be called as uppercase, lowercase, not the capital letter, small letter. That will be in our term. In a computer term, we can term it as uppercase, lowercase. So, this will be the uppercase. Case means alphabet. Okay. And small case. A, B, C, up to anything you can use smaller case. Okay. Uppercase, lowercase. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. Next. Roman letters. So, you are having Roman letters also. There also you are having uppercase, lowercase. Small Roman letter, capital Roman letter. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or first, second, third, fourth, same like. So, ordered list will be list the items in a sequence. It may be a numbering, uppercase, lowercase, Roman letter upper or the lower. So, these are the various types which may be used in the ordered list. Ordered list. So many girls we usually use the term as order list. It will not be termed as order list. It is ordered list. You have to add ed. Okay. And what may be comes under unordered list? Unordered, there will be no sequence. So in bullets we may not have any sequence. You can use all the bullets will be like a same one in a same item. So if you are using star, it will be like a star. Or if you are using bullets, you can use circle, something like that you will have. So here we cannot expect the sequence. So this is unordered list. Unordered list may use the bullet for listing the items. For listing the items, unordered list use the bullets to list the items. Can you understand? What is ordered list? What is unordered list? Can you understand? Everyone? Third item, third type. I have already termed it as there are three types of lists. One is ordered list, another one is unordered list. This alone we can know as numbering and bullets. The third type of list is definition list. Definition list. Can you remember or can you say how the definition will be written? Yes? In double quotes, okay. Then the main thing, there will be the term and the description, right? You may write the term. Say for example, define list. Your definition will be given it as list. You may write the term. Here, this is the term. Or define marketing. Or define, what are all the subjects you are studying? Define accounting. Whatever it may be. If you are giving the definition, you may give the term for which you are going to give the definition, right? So the term will be listed at first and then you may write your definition. Like this, you will write the definition, right? So if you want to give the detail like a definition format, you can use definition list. If you want to give the item to be listed in a definition format in the sense by giving the definition term and the definition description. This will be called as definition term. Say for example, what I told already, what is marketing? Define marketing, define list, define accounting. So this is the term, marketing, accounting, accountancy, list. This will be the term. So that will be given at first and next one like a side heading and the paragraph. Okay. So this will be like a definition term and next line by leaving some space we have to give definition description. Definition description. So these are the three types of list. By using the three types, we can use whatever we want in your web page. As per the need, we can use anything.